Friends, mostly career crisis happens at the age of 40 plus and then 50 plus, irrespective of their alma mater or the kind of companies they have worked. Most of those affected go through a terrible time, resulting into a complete acceptance of the situation, losing the energy to fight. There can be many reasons to this scenario. Therefore, at individual or organizational level, career mirroring and profiling (CMP) could help. This is a 6-step process tool to reflect, learn, and improve yourself or help the organization to define its leadership talent pipeline. Before embarking to learn on this process tool, let us understand what a career means. There are 5 major elements, and understanding of these 5 elements are critical to define what a career is. Career is a deliberate transformation process of becoming aware of self, opportunities, constraints, choices, and consequences. Like the metamorphosis of butterfly that is transfigured into a beautiful form, we need to get out of our cocoon to unleash our true potential and be the purpose for which we were born. Career is not limited by age. It spans across the lifetime. Hence, at each crossroad, these 5 elements must be reflected upon. Let CMP help you rediscover at each crossroad. I have seen people who always challenged themselves and grown dramatically. People who have lost their way at midway as they lost purpose for the journey, and some others who pretend to be contented with what they have but aspires to go up in the ladder. Global research on this clearly indicates lack of understanding the purpose. Look at the image. You may feel that it is rotating. Does it actually? The choice is ours to live in a perpetual illusion or to get out of the cocoon to see the wonderful life ahead, full of challenges, adventures, and value. There are 4 different stages. The evolution through these stages depends on the choices on an individual exercises at each stage, as there are evolving and digressing processes at each stage. Many who embark on the career journey settle at stage 1 or 2, not being able to get through other stages as they get digressed. Career mirroring and profiling is a process tool to redirect the career and help to set the right perspectives by aligning current capabilities with their aspirations and redefine what required to be done to reach their dream. As indicated earlier, a clear understanding of the 5 elements of career: awareness of self, understanding opportunities, constraints, making right choices, and owning up consequences of our choices is a must to make this happen. At organizational level, if the leadership pool does not have the contextual relevance, when they grow up to take up leadership position, they will not be able to deliver. Therefore, timely exercise of this is critical to make it a winner. Career mirroring and profiling is a self-reflective, non-threatening tool which can be used to reflect, understand, and then align with his or her career aspiration or appropriately build leadership tool in the organization. There are 6 process steps. Step 1. Find out the individual's readiness to go through the experience of transformation through CMP readiness test. Step 2. Define and capture realistic aspiration using CMP mapping document. Step 3. Develop a resume in minute detail capturing all aspects of career of the individual's life. Step 4. Build a document to reflect from a customer's perspective with specific deliverables and thrust on clear capability. Step 5. Develop a capability matrix vis-a-vis the career aspiration using CMP process tool. Step 6. Develop action plans for improvement by setting milestones and review schedules. Let us therefore help you redefine your career and align with your aspirations at individual level. Let us together partner to build a team of potential leaders who will stick with your organization and grow along with it. Please visit our website to get more deliverable insights into our work and reach out to us through mobile or email. If there are no challenges, the life ahead would be dull and mediocre. We wish you an enriching journey ahead, full of challenges and growth.